Hey everyone, and welcome back to Contain Your Life. Today, we are rediving into a fascinating concept that's been talked about for years: eating for your blood type. The idea is that our blood type might influence which foods work best for our bodies, potentially boosting energy and improving digestion. Now, while this is a popular theory, it's important to remember that this video is for educational purposes only. It's not a substitute for professional medical advice, so please, always chat with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any big changes to what you eat. Ready to see what the buzz is about? Let's get into it. First up, we have blood type O. If you're type O, proponents of this diet suggest you might feel your best with a diet rich in high-quality protein. Think lean meats, poultry, and fish. It's paired with plenty of leafy greens like spinach and kale. This approach is all about fueling your body with powerful foundational nutrients. The idea is that this type of eating plan aligns with the ancestral diet of early humans, who were primarily hunter-gatherers. So, for type Os, think protein-packed plates and vibrant green vegetables. Next, let's talk about blood type A. The recommendations for type A are quite different. Leaning heavily towards a plant-based diet? If you're type A, you might find that you thrive on a diet centered around fresh vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Fish is also a great option, providing lean protein and healthy omega-3 fatty acids. This approach is often compared to a vegetarian or a pescatarian lifestyle, emphasizing gentle, easily digestible foods that are said to support a more sensitive immune system. It's all about wholesome, plant-forward eating. Moving on to blood type B for those with blood type B. The dietary suggestions are often described as the most balanced and varied. People with this blood type are encouraged to enjoy a wide range of foods. This includes a healthy mix of meats like lamb and venison, along with dairy, fruits, and a wide array of vegetables. However, there are a few specific foods, like chicken and corn, that are often suggested to be limited. The goal for type B is to embrace dietary diversity, creating a well-rounded plate that pulls from many different food groups. Finally, we have blood type A, B, the rarest of the four. As you might guess from the name, the dietary recommendations for type AB are a hybrid of types A and B. This means a diet that incorporates elements from both, focusing on lighter, more frequent meals. Foods like tofu, seafood, and leafy greens are highly recommended, similar to type A. At the same time, some dairy and specific meats in moderation are also included, drawing from the type B plan. It's about finding that unique blend that combines the best of both worlds. So, what's the big takeaway here? While the Eat for Your Blood Type diet is an interesting concept, scientific evidence supporting its specific claims is still limited. What we do know for sure is that some principles are universal and beneficial for everyone, regardless of blood type. Choosing whole, unprocessed foods over packaged ones is always a win. Staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day is crucial for every single person. And limiting processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats can dramatically improve your overall health. Building your meals around a colorful variety of fruits and vegetables is a fantastic strategy for all blood types. Ultimately, listening to your own body is key. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel, and work with a healthcare professional to create a plan that's tailored specifically for you and your unique needs. Thanks so much for watching and learning with us today. We hope this gave you a simple, clear breakdown of the eating for your blood type concept. If you found this helpful and want more simple, practical food and wellness education, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. We'll see you in the next one.